Well, good evening to you. It is Wednesday, which means we have our KidCaster, Lindsay with us today. Where do you go to school, Lindsay?
I go to
Tecumseh South. All right, we're going to be meeting Lindsay, asking a few questions of her, some of the interests that she has. We'll learn more about you, and also get a chance to see her do her KidCaster performance. So that we had earlier, that'll actually air later on this evening. But first, let's take a look at your weather. We've got clear skies across the area. Here and there, you can see a partly cloudy sky right now, and Emporia from our Emporia Gazette sky cam. We have sunshine in Topeka at 92 degrees. The winds are now northerly. We are behind the cold front. Doesn't necessarily feel cold yet, certainly not cold. Not even all that cool, but it will be cooling down with northerly winds. The dew point at 69, so it is still humid out there, but that will be changing as well as lower humidity is moving in. There was a sunset in Oldsburg yesterday from Eliane Morales. Beautiful shot there of last evening's sunset, and then the sunrise this morning in Barrington from Torrey Forest. Also from Tom, Maria, and Shane Russell, taken in Hoyt. Beautiful start to the day in Olivet from Terry Neal. And another view of the sunrise. It was a great start to the day in Shawnee County as well from Leonard and Irene Cardwell. And a few clouds towering up early in Junction City from Craig Altenhofen. You can always send in your photos to WXPhotos at kansasfirstnews.com. 89 at Manhattan and 88 at Washington with lower to mid-90s south and southeast, including 94 at Lawrence. But that is just the air temperature. It's also not only cooler to the northwest, but it's less humid, with dew points in the 50s, low 60s, and then here in the upper 60s. Hanging on for just another hour or two across the southeastern counties. Those northerly winds will shove out this higher heat and humidity, which is creating heat indices between 95 and 100, with upper 80s to lower 90s off to the northwest. So there is some better weather inching in slowly today. We'll notice it more for the early hours tomorrow. A couple of showers down around the Dodge City area, a few clouds over our southern horizon, but all in all, lots of quiet weather expected for the rest of today and on into, it looks, most of the night, part of the day tomorrow as well, but things will change late tomorrow. Future weather shows that. I think the showers will stay actually south of our area tonight. We'll stay mostly clear through 6:30 in the morning. Clouds may start to move in late in the afternoon, but it'll be more toward tomorrow night and then off and on throughout the east. Storm chances Thursday evening at 40%, more into Thursday night though. 60% chance of showers and storms on Friday. And it sets us up for a nice weekend. Our KidCaster Lindsay again here with us. Lindsay, how does Saturday look?
Saturday looks good at 74 and 54.
54 in the morning. Do you have any plans for Saturday morning? You said you play volleyball right now. It's typically an indoor sport. But this is something maybe you want to look at playing some beach volleyball and maybe like that, right? Some sand volleyball, I guess.
After I learn more about
still have some learning to do.
I was asking her earlier what her favorite thing to do at school is, and she said singing. How long have you been singing?
Since I was 3.
Since you were 3. And what do you like so much? What's your favorite thing about singing?
Just the powerfulness of it and the beauty of the way it sounds. It's just
All right. Well, that's
And
great.
you've also done some other performances as well. You play, what was the instrument? Violin. You've done some recitals as well.
yes.
All right. She's used to the lights.
Yes.
So this is nothing. Thanks, Lindsay. Well, the Great Topeka Duck Race is just 3 days away, and preparations are underway for the big duck drop at Lake Shawnee Saturday afternoon. Thousands of plastic ducks will be tagged tonight. Let's check in now with Kansas First News reporter Kevin Boughton, where all the action is about to take place. Kevin, is this like an assembly line operation out there?
Well, not quite yet, Nate. Things start at 5:30, but joining me now, getting ready for this Sonoma Great Topeka Duck Race. Julie, thanks for joining us. Tell me, where do these ducks come from and how are
Well, good evening to you. It is Wednesday, which means we have our KidCaster, Lindsay Baltzell's with us today. Where do you go to school, Lindsay?
I go to Tecumseh South.
Tecumseh South. All right, we're going to be meeting Lindsay, asking a few questions of her, some of the interests that she has, learn more about you, and also get a chance to see her do her KidCaster performance. So what we had earlier, that'll actually air later on this evening. But first, let's take a look at your weather. We've got clear skies across the area, a few clouds here and there. You can see it. Chances Thursday evening at 40%, more into Thursday night though. 60% chance of showers and storms on Friday. And it sets us up for a nice weekend. Our KidCaster Lindsay again here with us. Lindsay, how does Saturday look?
Saturday looks good at 74 and 54.
54 in the morning. You have any plans for Saturday morning? You said you play volleyball right now. It's typically
Yes.
an indoor sport. But this is something maybe you want to look at playing some beach volleyball and anything like that, right? Some sand volleyball, I guess.
After I learn more about
Still have some more to
real
do.
volleyball.
I was asking her earlier what her favorite thing to do at school is, and she said singing. How long have you been singing?
Since I was 3.
Since you were 3. And what do you like so much? What's your favorite thing about singing?
Just the powerfulness of it and the beauty of the way it sounds, and it's just a pleasure.
Well, that's
And
great.
you've also done some other performances as well. You play, what was the instrument? You said
Violin.
You've done some recitals as well?
Yes.
All right.
She's used to the lights,
Yeah.
so this is nothing. Thanks, Lindsay. Well, the Great Topeka Duck Race is just 3 days away, and preparations are underway for the big duck drop at Lake Shawnee Saturday afternoon.